Hello everybody in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. So we've had a lot of customers requesting paint to use on their products. We have spray paint cans all around the garage and we don't know where to put them. So Mr. Poor Man and I decided to make this. Ta-da!
All right, now I actually looked for some designs that were pre-made by people, and I purchased the rights to them. They had some SVG files that I could use. I just wanted to get an idea of what would work, what wouldn't work. They had some really nice ones, so I ended up paying for two of them, and they were kind of modular. One was just really big, and it wouldn't fit in the area that we have. The other one was modular, and when it went together, it didn't fit snugly together as I would like it, and so I thought, well, I really don't need a modular pieces anyways, but I used these two different concepts and I reorganized it and made it in a way that would be efficient for us, and that's how we came up with this. So we're going to just show you how we actually made this. It's not a particularly difficult thing to do, but it's something that maybe can help you if you have cans or some other things that you want to use. You could probably make something similar to this for spice racks or something along those lines. So let's go ahead and get into the video. As I mentioned, it was kind of a simple project, but hopefully it's something that you might be able to do for yourself and at least get some ideas that help you kind of organize some things. We are really running out of space in the garage and not sure where else we can build things. This was probably one of the last bits of space on the wall that I have. I don't know, maybe I can hang things from the ceiling. That might be an idea. All right, next week we're going to do a product review, but this is something that we paid for out of our own pocket. We deal a lot with smokes and smells and whatnot from the lasers. We work in the garage. A lot of times lately when working on the laser, I notice my eyes are burning, coughing a lot. So even though I wear masks and so forth, I think there's some stuff going on. And so we figured we better do something to make sure our health isn't affected. And so we went out and purchased something. We're going to do a review on that. So until we meet again.
Bye-bye.